You might not believe this, but there are actually certain foods and drinks, things you may already have at home, that can protect and even begin to repair aging eyes while you sleep. And that matters deeply because millions of older adults around the world are silently suffering from something far more serious than just blurry vision. We're talking about eyes that sting when you read, eyes that strain under the glare of headlights at night, eyes that see dark spots, halos, or hazy patches, making it harder to recognize faces. Or worst of all, many say something that truly breaks my heart. I'm scared because I feel like I'm slowly going blind. If this sounds familiar, I want you to know you're not imagining it. And you're certainly not alone. What you're experiencing isn't just aging. It's often the result of years of micronutrient depletion, poor circulation to the retina, and chronic low-grade inflammation quietly damaging the delicate tissues inside your eyes. The worst part, most of it happens while you sleep. But here's the good news. There's a way to change that, a natural way. No prescriptions, no procedures, no expensive eye drops. Something so simple, so overlooked, yet scientifically powerful. It's something you can begin tonight. If there's one nut that's been quietly fighting for your eyesight and your brain without getting the credit it deserves, it's the walnut. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Walnuts? Really? Don't those just lower cholesterol? They do. But that's just the beginning. You see, walnuts are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. Your eyes don't exist in isolation. They're an extension of your nervous system, connected directly to your brain by the optic nerve. And both your brain and your eyes are heavily dependent on healthy fats, especially omega-3s, to function properly. Walnuts step in here as quiet heroes. They help to increase blood flow to the retina and optic nerve. It's like giving your visual system a long overdue oil change. If walnuts are the quiet supporters of the brain-eye connection, then pistachios are like the bodyguards of your retina. Now, you might not expect that from such a small green nut, but pistachios are packed with two compounds your eyes absolutely love, lutein and zeaxanthin. Your retina, especially the macula, is under constant attack from daily exposure to blue light, from the sun, but also screens, TVs, and phones. These compounds act like internal sunglasses. They filter out the most harmful wavelengths of blue light before they reach and damage your macula. What's remarkable is that your body can't make these compounds on its own. And pistachios are one of the very few nuts that naturally contain both. Have you ever woken up with red, irritated eyes or felt that burning sensation in the afternoon, like your eyes are dry, tired, and begging for rest? For many older adults, these symptoms aren't just occasional. They become daily companions, silent reminders that the eyes, just like the rest of the body, are inflamed and exhausted. This is where Brazil nuts come in. They are known for one extraordinary thing, selenium. Selenium acts like a firefighter in the bloodstream, helping to extinguish these invisible flames before they cause lasting damage to the retina, lens, and cornea. The truth is, most people are low in selenium and don't even know it. With Brazil nuts, a little truly goes a long way. By the time we reach our 60s and 70s, something begins to quietly fade from our eyes. And it's not just clarity, it's moisture, resilience, and most importantly, collagen. Collagen isn't just for skin, it forms the very scaffolding of your eyes supporting the cornea, the lens, and even the tiny blood vessels that keep your eyes nourished. One of the key nutrients that helps preserve this collagen structure is vitamin E, and hazelnuts are one of the best natural sources of it. This antioxidant protects the delicate membranes around the eye from oxidative stress, helping to lock in moisture and shield the eye surface from damage. By now, you've learned that 4 simple nuts, each with its own unique gift, can play a powerful role in protecting your eyesight. But here's the part that surprises most people. It's not just what you eat, it's when. Your eyes do most of their repair work, not during the day, but at night, while you sleep. About 1 hour before bedtime, prepare a small bowl with a few walnuts, a small handful of pistachios, 1 Brazil nut, and a few hazelnuts. You can pair these nuts with a warm, unsweetened herbal tea, like chamomile. Let this become a ritual, not a task. That's the secret no one tells you. It's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters at the right time. Now let's open the doors to the ancient wisdom of eye health. This book, written centuries ago, shows us the natural remedies our ancestors used for eye ailments. Here is a special formula from that book, used to combat eye watering. 1,000 grams of pomegranate juice is boiled until it is reduced to 250 grams. After this, you add 250 grams of fennel water, 125 grams each of ground myrtle leaf and chebula, and 5 grams each of aloe, saffron, and frankincense. These ingredients are boiled until they turn a dark blue color, then placed in a bottle and hung facing the sun. The resulting liquid was then applied to the eyes like kohl. The other formulas in the book are also quite interesting. For example, for watering eyes, it was recommended to wash the eyes with coriander water and rose water, or to directly drop in a woman's milk or donkey's milk. And what about those annoying eyelid tremors? The recommended solution for this ailment is much more familiar. Eat plenty of cumin and hazelnuts. As you can see, consuming nuts for healthy eyes is not just a modern scientific discovery, but a method valued by our ancestors as well. These ancient recipes show that the healing power of nature has been discovered throughout every era, whether you follow the simple steps recommended by modern science like eating healthy nuts, or you benefit from the wisdom of the past. What's important is taking care of your eye health. We want to remind you to always consult an ophthalmologist before trying any of these ancient recipes. Science and nature are always on your side to help you take good care of your eyes. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about senior health secrets, please like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content.